hidden blind spots, tangible losses. STONKAM HD wireless forklift camera, always keeping a sharp eye on your work. Effortless attachment and removal. Easy installation. 2 heating activation modes. Enter menu, manually turn on heat. Automatic activation in low temperatures. Before heating, extreme cold, lens frost, blurry image. During heating, heating activated, frost gradually melts. After heating, clear image, constant temperature maintained. IP69K waterproof rating, cold and moisture protection for worry-free operation. Multiple installation options available. Fork arm beam magnetic mount. Integrated fork arm mounting. Eliminate impacts and scrapes. Integrated bright laser positioning. Pallet detection algorithm. Helps drivers quickly find pallets for greater efficiency. Crystal clear view and precise positioning. Prevent accidents at the source, ensuring every operation is precise, efficient, and worry-free.